My right is your right, my left is your left. All right. So we're going to start on the right, and the song is going to start after it goes to this little music. The key here is do, 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 cross. Notice. Do, 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 cross. That's how we're starting. Okay. With the right. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross. That's your first move. Right, left, right, cross and cross. Your cross and cross are two smooth, small moves. Don't make them big, don't make them large. All right? 5, 6, I'm going to do the do, 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 and then we're going to start. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross. From here, we're going to go left out and back, right out and back, left out and back, right out and back. And you don't have to go straight. You don't have to do this. That's too much crossing. It's just out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back. Because you are moving back, like I'm moving back. All right? From the do, 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 and the out and back. Do, 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 cross and cross, left out and back, right out and back, left out and back, right out and back. Hold it here. Next move. We're going to do a 360 turn, pushing with our left, using our right as our pivot. So we look like this. 1, 2, 3. Keep those knees bent. You're not spinning, you're not turning, you're just pushing yourself around, okay, to get back to the front wall. All right, so again, we are pushing ourselves with the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and when we get back here, we're going to hear this again. Do, do, do. And when we hear that, do, 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 cross. We'll be crossing with the left. Let me take it from the top so you can get a feel for it. Work with me here because you've already mastered these steps. I know you have, right? Okay. Forgive my back, but I know that if I don't face you, you'll be able to follow along a lot better. Starting with the right. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross. Out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back. Push 1, 2, 3. Do, 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 left. Okay? Cross and cross and cross. Same movement. Now we're moving to the right. First time around, we're moving to the left and our right foot crosses. Second time, we're moving to the right and our left foot crosses. So we cross and cross and cross. Now, what we're going to do is not out and back. We're going to go out and front. Out and front, out and front, out and front. Moving forward. 3 times only. Key differences. First time, when we are moving to the left, we got out and back 4 times. When we are moving to the right, we got out and front 3 times. Okay? Let's take it from the very beginning all the way through. I'm going to start with the do, do, do. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross. Out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back. Push 1, 2, 3. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross. Out and front, out and front, out and front. We're going to turn a half turn to our right, using our left foot to push us. 1, 2. So again, key difference. When we were facing the front wall, or when we started, our push was 3 beats around, and it was a full turn. Now, as we're traveling to our right, our push are 2 beats and a half turn, okay? So starting with the left crossing, moving to the right. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross. Then out and front, out and front, out and front, turn around. Okay, as you turn around, step up with the right, back with the left. Okay, do, do, do. Cross. We start all over again on the other wall. Okay, so again, we have done our 3 turns. Step up with the right, back with the left. Left, 1, 2, 3, cross. So do, 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 cross. And you don't have to do, do, do. You can just be like hanging out. Do, 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 cross and cross and cross, out and back, out and back, out and back, out and back. Push 1, 2, 3, do, cross and cross and cross, out in front, out in front, out in front, turn around, step up, step back, do, right. That's the whole dance. Those are all the steps. Progress. So, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I keep adding videos more and more. If you're ever in the Lawrenceville, Gwinnett County area, we meet on Wednesdays, most Wednesdays. 6 o'clock is the easy peasy class for people who are like, I can't dance, I'm uncoordinated, I got 2 left feet. The class is actually called 2 left feet. It's from 6 to 7, and we take things at a much, much slower pace. And if you are comfortable picking up the pace and you pick up steps pretty quick and you've kind of been doing a little dancing, you're not an expert, but you're okay. Then the 7 o'clock class is called Step It Up, where we do move a little faster. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the dance.